If you know hair, you know Yaki hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a beauty supply haul. I stopped by my local beauty supply and I picked up a few things, so I'm excited to show you guys that stuff today. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, I need to put on some gloss because I just feel like this look, it's cute, but with a gloss it will look even better. And I did get some lip gloss while I was at the beauty supply. This one here is the Max Clear Gloss. This was like maybe $3, $2, I don't know, but it's just like a nice little clear lip gloss. I really just want to put it on my lips right now, so this is going to be the first thing that I show you guys. But you can never go wrong with a clear gloss, and I actually don't have any clear glosses. Like the closest thing that I have to a clear gloss is my Fenty Gloss Bomb, which is obviously not clear, but it does the job. However, I was like, I need a clear gloss, so I got this gloss because it's not super sticky and it doesn't make my lips feel like they're stuck together when I do press them together. So I got a wig. That's really what I went there for. I wanted a U-part wig, but as you guys know, my hair is like two-toned. So the top half is black and the bottom half is blonde. So I kind of felt like, you know, I can't really do a U-part wig because then it's not going to be, you know, true to what my hair color is. And I didn't want to just dye my leave out just to wear a U-part wig. So I got this wig, and this is a Swiss lace front wig. It's a 4x4 all direction part silk lining lace front, and this wig was $89. I did not know that the beauty supply was like, oh, okay, so everybody charging for lace fronts, okay, we're gonna up the price of our lace fronts. And girl, there was like $500 lace fronts in the beauty supply, and I was just like, who are y'all? Like, I just feel like the beauty supply has no right to be charging $500 for a lace front. But to each their own. If you feel like buying a beauty supply wig for $500, then go ahead and do it. But I got this wig and I'm actually gonna try this on. So yesterday I did go ahead and wash my hair. So I did get some products to help with the wash process. So I did get the hair mayonnaise by Organic Root Stimulator. Now y'all know I don't like mayonnaise at all, but this hair product is like so nourishing to the hair, especially if you have dry hair, brittle hair, dyed hair, transitioning hair. This is something that I feel is a must because it gives your hair a really nice, soft, moisturized texture. You leave it on for about 15 minutes. If you have the dome blow dryer, you can sit underneath the blow dryer with this, but I just did it in the shower and my hair just comes out so soft and just so nourished after I use this. So I got some of this. And so underneath this hat, I actually have my hair braided up because I'm gonna put this wig on, of course. So when I was braiding my hair down, I got this new hair product by Aunt Jackie's. I've never used anything by Aunt Jackie's, but I heard it was really good for natural hair, so I really wanted to give this a try. And this is the Coconut Cream Recipes Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. This is something that you could use on a daily basis. It's really good if you're doing like a braid out or twist out because it's going to give your hair that intensive moisture, hence the name, and seal it into place. But instead of buying the Cantu hair products that I normally would use, I decided to give this a try because, you know, Cantu, they good, but they're not like, you know, good for your hair. And like I said, I've heard only positive things about Aunt Jackie, so I gave this a try. I just did like a freshly washed braid down, so I didn't blow dry it, I didn't add any heat to it. I just did my regular hair care routine and then added in the Aunt Jackie's and braided it down. So that's why we look like this. And I also got some wig caps because we're gonna be putting on the wig. And because my hair is so thick, like I had to do so many braids. Like I just split it top to bottom and I did some French braids in the back, and then I did the ones that you guys seen here on the top. And I'm not gonna glue this wig onto my head right now. I'm just, you know, doing this to try it on. But I did get some of the olive oil wig grip gel and I'm excited to use this. It's infused with castor oil, so I do have the Got2b spray, so if I need that, I'll use that. But I kind of seen that you could use this by itself, so hopefully it works out nicely. Like I said, right now I'm not gonna glue this wig onto my head. We're just trying it on. This is a synthetic wig, and the reason being that I got a synthetic wig was because, like I said, I'm not gonna pay $500 for no beauty supply wig. Like that's all the way out. This one was a little bit more reasonably priced. It was exactly what I was looking for, just something like not too long, but you know, a little length. And it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So if you've been on my channel before, you've seen me try on a wig or two here, and you know, one of the wigs was absolutely perfect and then one of them was so trash. So now we're going to see how this wig turns out. So I'm not gonna cut the lace off right now because I'm not trying to do all of that, but this is what the wig looks like. Like I said, I was trying to get something inexpensive because I'm not gonna cash out the beauty supply store. This wig is synthetic, but it actually feels pretty good. Like, it doesn't feel like yucky hair. You know yucky hair. If you know hair, you know yucky hair. And this feels nothing like that. I got this little hump right here, but it's probably because I just need to go ahead and lay the wig down. But I feel like this wig quality feels pretty good. Like, for a $90 wig, this is pretty nice. Now it goes to about boob length on me and a little bit further than halfway of my back. It gives off that nice real look to it, so it's not super shiny. I did get this detangling brush. I think they call this a Denman brush, or I don't know what they call it, but I got this brush. I used it while I was actually detangling my hair in the shower, and it definitely helped with defining my curls. I was almost like, wash and go, no. But I'm gonna go ahead and just comb this out so that way you guys can see how easily this combs through the hair. I feel like this wig looks really good. So I got this in a 4. That is like my natural hair color. Usually I get wigs and they're like between a 2 and a 1. I feel like that's why a lot of wigs don't look natural on me, because they're not the color that, you know, complements my skin tone, which is 4. So this is a 4, and it looks like this has like, you know, little baby hairs waiting for me to cut it. So I'm excited to like slay the wig. Like, you need to go to the beauty supply store and get this wig. Get it, girl, get it. Okay, since the wig is not laid yet, I'm gonna just put my beanie back on so I can finish showing you guys the rest of the stuff that I got. So I've been wanting to do a slick ponytail for the longest, but the length of my hair is obviously not down my back, so it doesn't look right with my natural hair. So I bought me a ponytail, and I bought a blonde ponytail because, as you guys know, as I stated, my hair is two-toned. So when I do a slick ponytail, like, the blonde is the part that is like feeding into the ponytail, and I just personally feel like it would look so stupid of me to put a black ponytail when it's clearly leading to blonde. So I got this blonde ponytail. I know you guys are probably just like, girl, you got black hair and then you got a blonde ponytail, like, pick a lane. But when I'm wearing my natural hair, this ponytail will be the one that I'm gonna slay with. I don't know if there was a card in this packaging when the guy was showing me the wig, but it says it's by A+. So it's called Surprise Me, and this one is in the number 27. And so this is the ponytail, and it's so nice because it's like super good quality. And I would say this is maybe a 20-inch ponytail. Like, let me see. Yeah. So this might be like an 18 to 20-inch ponytail. And the really cool thing about this ponytail is, so of course it has like the drawstring on the inside, but it actually came with this hair clip in here, and the hair clip is so that you can just it's so that you can just easily, why is this not easily doing what I'm trying to do? You just clip it to your head, and that way you don't have to do the whole drawstring, but I just feel like that's extra security. So it was only $20, which I thought was a decent price for a ponytail this length and of this quality. Like I said, it feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel like a stiff sis. She ain't stiff. She is not stiff. So for the quality of the hair, I think this is definitely worth $20. I haven't tried it on my head just yet, but as you guys seen, I have braids right now, so I can't do none of that anyway. And with a ponytail like this, of course my hair is gonna have to match this texture, so I have to straighten it and all that stuff, which I don't mind doing, but that's not what I'm doing right now. I'm wearing a wig. Okay, so one of the last things that I got at the beauty supply store is this True Edge edge controller, and this one is in the scent Sugar Melon. So this is a water-based natural shine, no flaky edge control. Honestly, I didn't even know why I picked this one. I just saw it at the register and I was like, I need a new edge control, and I didn't even get to smell it. So let me smell it right now. Whatever a sugar melon smells like, I guess it smells like that. So this one was $5, which is pretty decent for an edge control. These really cute silk scrunchies to go with a ponytail, of course. You know, I'm gonna put the ponytail on the top of my head, on the back of my head, maybe on the side of my head. So I thought these would be cute to add to kind of help hide the fact that it's a ponytail. So the last thing that I got from the beauty supply is this satin silk pillowcase. And this one is by Annie, and this is the deluxe pillow cover with a zipper closure. So I actually have it on my pillow right now. That is why it's not in the box. So this pillowcase is claiming that it is chemical resistant because it is double lined. This is what the pillowcase looks like on the pillow, and so it does come with a zipper, which is really good because you don't have to worry about the case coming off of your pillow at night because it's silky. And so I used it last night, and I really liked the security that it gave me, because I don't know if you're like me, but if you kind of toss and turn in your sleep and, you know, you wear your bonnet and your scarf and all that stuff, it's inevitable. Your bonnet is going to come off. So almost every night my bonnet is coming off. So this gives me the extra security to to know that if my scarf does come off while I'm sleeping, I'm very much protected with this silk pillowcase, and it won't be catching on to like any cotton or anything like that, messing up my ends. Even if you don't toss and turn, I would still recommend a silk pillowcase if you got some really nice laid hair. So the last and final item that I got is hair related, but I actually didn't get it from the beauty supply store, which is the New Diggity Eternal Hair and Scalp Oil. So this was actually created by one of my friends who is licensed to do hair. I feel like a lot of people who don't have any, you know, actual knowledge in fields are kind of creating stuff and it just be like, how can I trust you? But she's actually a licensed cosmetologist, and I love this hair oil. This is actually my second bottle of this hair oil. I really like this hair oil because I have a severely dry scalp and it's so itchy, like oh my gosh, like I could scratch my hair all day. But this hair oil is so nice because it is so soothing, and the thing that I really love about it is that it comes with a droplet. That way I can get in my scalp versus just throwing oil on and just massaging it in. Like I feel like you can massage it in, but if you didn't directly place it in your scalp, you're not really massaging anything. So I really enjoy using this, especially when I'm doing any type of protective styles or anything that causes for my hair to be in the same state for more than 2 days. I'm using this hair oil, and I actually run through it pretty fast because I really like to add it in every day because I don't want no dry patches, and I will get dry patches immediately. So I'll link her website and her Instagram down below so that way you guys can check out her products. She also has a full hair care kit that comes with a shampoo and conditioner. So if you support Black owned businesses, I would highly recommend you guys checking her out. But that is it for my beauty supply haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the products that I got. If you guys have tried any of these things out, or if you guys want to see me, you know, slay this wig, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you cannot remember that, it's all good. Just hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time I do post a video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will link all of those down below so that way you can easily click and follow. And if you guys have any recommendations on Aunt Jackie's, I want to try some more, but I'm just getting my feet wet. So if you guys have any recommendations on any other products that you guys think I would like or that might be really good for my hair type, please comment those down below because I'm always looking for new products to use. But thank you again so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.